ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा।
Hello. Yeah, it's
ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
ऑडियो ऑडियो।
मैं आज एक काम करने आया हूँ और मेरा आज एक ही मुद्दा है, एक ही सपना है, वो है मेड इन इंडिया। वी हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट। हमें इसकी शुरुआत मैं आपको बताऊं 3-3.5 साल पहले हुई थी। मैं विशाल से मिला था, इससे बात की थी मैंने, और हमने सोचा था कि हम एक गेमिंग शुरू करेंगे। तो तभी मैंने इसे कहा था क्यों ना हम एक गेमिंग शुरू करें जिसका नाम रखें हम फौजी। तो मैं जिसका रिजल्ट उस वक्त आप लोगों ने देखा, करीबन 4.5 करोड़ लोगों ने उसे डाउनलोड किया था। और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, अब हम एक फुल्ली अपग्रेडेड मल्टी प्लेयर शूटर वर्जन ला रहे हैं जो कि फौजी है। डोमिनेशन विद ऑल द काइंड ऑफ वर्क्स इट हैज। यहाँ कितने गेमर हैं जिन्होंने अभी जाके खेला है? सब पीछे हैं। मेरे बोलने से ज्यादा मैं यही चाहूंगा कि आप लोग बताएं आपको कैसा लगा। Did you play it? Did you play it? Sorry? You played the whole version? What did you think? You liked it? Would you like to have any kind of thing we should try to change or something, or maybe make some changes in it? Can somebody give him a mic, please? या मैं ही उठे आ जाना। आज की ना है
I'm also Fauji and having fired many guns, machine guns, largest gun fired MM Bofors. So after playing this game, I liked game. Only thing I wanted some more speed on this game, and given suggestion to the person was, and I think every time I visited them and I feel that waiting.
So, Mr. Vishal, what do you think of the speed? Come here. But did you tell them what kind of weapons have been added to it? Whatever guns you're going to see, whatever drones you're going to see, whatever helicopters you're going to see is all made in India. Because we make the best.
Used to feel a lot of trouble initially with the guns we had, frankly speaking. But the latest guns which are now being supplied to the army are really good. We had a lot of times our trucks. I think the things which we are now doing in India is much more better for the country, and I'm very proud of it.
Right. Well, Mr. Ganesh Nippe. Ganeshji, come and please tell them about what you did. Did you tell them about Russia? Oh, I was not there behind, I was there. So did you talk about yourself, what you do? Huh? बता दिया? Okay, क्या manufacturing करते हैं. So, as you all know, this guy makes guns for India. He is one of the makers. And, तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, do you know ये पहले क्या करते थे? आज से करीबन 15 साल पहले, in Shirdi he used to sell sugarcane juice, and today he makes guns. And for our security of India, this man has come. अरे आपको ताली नहीं बजानी. So I was very inspired by him, the kind of things he do, and you know that is what comes up. मैं ये बताना, आप बताइए इनको कि आप ऐसे मुकाम पे कैसे पहुंचे? That because of your hard work and what other things?
इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जर्नी इन माई लाइफ। 95 में शुगर केन का जूस स्टार्ट किया और दैट टाइम डिसाइड कि अगर लाइफ में कुछ मैं अलग देश के लिए नहीं करूँगा तो मेरा जर्नी शुगर केन जूस में ही रहेगा। तो एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करके डिसाइड कि डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट विच वाज डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट में डिज़ाइन कंप्लीट करके फर्स्ट मेक इन इंडिया गन AK-203 आज डेवलप किया है जो 1,45,000 गन डेवलप।
Thank you very much. So, you know, the whole concentration is on made in India. Everything, the concentration is today. Today I have come here and I was talking to all the gamers sitting here. They had come to my room. I had this opportunity to come and meet them. So there's a professor also in this. Please come here.
Thank you.
Your name?
My name is Nishan Muladharan, but in the gaming.
What's your profession?
I coach teams, basically esports teams.
So, what do you think is going to be the future of these?
Well, initially I was also a software developer. मैंने भी 4 साल engineering करके बात समझ में आया कि यार the passion which I follow the gaming, I should be pursuing that. और या वो इसलिए किया क्योंकि मैंने वो future देखा कि भाई esports कितना आगे बढ़ सकता है. So and I think the eyes opened when I was able to represent the country in the outside. So इतना बड़ा opportunity pull off हुआ है तो यार I wanted to go towards this career.
And what do you want to tell the parents? As the question you were asking me, what would you like to tell the parents of the children who will think that esports or gaming is just kind of क्या मतलब उनके टाइम पास हो या उनके हिसाब से वो ये भी होता है कि ये कोई जुआ है, ऐसा भी होता है?
No, it's nothing like that. First of all, आपने जैसे मेरे को एक बहुत ही अच्छी टिप बताया कि क्योंकि गेम बहुत ज़्यादा खेलते हो, एक गेमर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम उस गेम के अंदर बिता देते हो, तो हेल्थ इश्यूज जो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, जो आपकी जो एक फिटनेस लाइफस्टाइल जो आप फॉलो करते हैं, वो उन्होंने बताया कि 1 आवर खेलना चाहिए एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू शुड टेक ए ब्रेक, वॉक फॉर 10 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स, 1000 footsteps, so that your health can be regained and then come back to your gaming. And also,
what do you think is going to be the future? We have a good future.
Yeah, exceptionally good future because अगर आप जानते हो कि हम ओलंपिक्स में भी आ गए हैं, esports is right now there. So next step, and also we have our own government participating in the esports situations in the next year. There are going to be tournaments coming up. So I'm hoping a whole esports level, upgrade from 4G. मैं definitely खेलना चाहूँगा. मैं definitely I would suggest the esports players which I coach and everyone to come and play this game because specifically अभी तक टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट अभी तक ऐसा बनाया नहीं, बट अभी नाउ बन रहा है एक इंडिया की गेम जो डेफिनेटली कैसे ना इट विल कम फ्रॉम द हर्ट कि भाई हाँ हमारी भारत की गेम में हमें खेलनी चाहिए एंड ऑल्सो द कैरेक्टर्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज बिलोंग टू दैट. तो क्योंकि हम जब खेलते हैं ना गेम तो हम वो कैरेक्टर बन जाता है, हम उसको एक नाम देते हैं, तो हम रियल लाइफ में थोड़ा सा अलग रहता है बट इन गेम लाइफ में थोड़ा और जो सपना देखता है वो उसके अंदर करने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं इस गेम के अंदर. तो वो जब एक इंडियन रहेंगे, हम एक इंडियन नाम लेंगे, जैसे कि आप करेगा खिलाड़ी कुछ ऐसा या फिर बॉस मेरे समझ रहा है, तो आपकी कैरेक्टर भी रहेंगे तो और मज़ा आएगा. लाइक आपकी जैसे दिखना रहेंगे तो आपकी जैसा कपड़ा पहनेंगे तो
मेरे जैसा कपड़ा पहनेंगे
होते बहुत सारे स्किन्स हैं.
बैठ जा. Thank you. Okay guys, so without wasting much time, let's can we have the trailer ready for you guys to watch it? Okay, so we'll just begin the trailer.
So apart from this, we are also going to have a special in-game item. We are going to have a special in-game item which people can buy in the game. वो एक badge होगा, and whenever you buy that badge, the value of that badge will be directly donated to Bharat Ke Veer Foundation. So apart from this 25 lakhs, every gamer who is going to play this game will have the ability to contribute to the soldiers and the martyrs of our country, which is again very, very unique. So we also want to quickly invite the team who is responsible for these, जिन्होंने develop किया है. So our .9 game team is here, भैया. So we thought we'll also get Deepak and all the other guys here. Come, Deepak. Srini, Kaiwan. Come. So these are all part of the original India Games team. And then after we exited to Disney, they all started something new. So we are all here.
अरे हटाओ यार ये क्या कर रहे हो? चलो हो गया
All the developers of the 4G game, please come here for your exclusive photo op.
ज़्यादा हाइट तो रवि की है
We are now having the exclusive preview of the game. There are gaming booths set up here. Please check out and play the game. Also, there is a special booth of Nibe over here. Again, thanks a lot for coming over here, bhaiya, and we are very, very excited. I think this is a good start. So pre-registration is open, so you can now actually go to Google Play Store and pre-register, and we'll be soon launching the game for everyone.